Hi, welcome to CJ Wild Money Entertainment. And today I am showing you my Pinchme stuff. I have been absent from YouTube for about 2 months. So I don't know when this Pinchme came. So we're going to open it up and see what samples is inside. Okay. Don't need that box. This is Starbucks Essential Vitamins coffee. Coffee with essential vitamins. And that's what this is. And it's new at Walmart. And then I got just some I got $1 off Hint water products. I've never tried Hint. I got CBD cream, first and free. And this, massage into the skin thoroughly to absorb. I got a Glad Floss Plus bag. Let's open this up. And it's the new Glad bags that you can stretch. And it smells like Febreze. Then let's open this Pinchme. I need my knife. Let's see what this is. And this is 3M Super Tough Clear Repair Tape. Whoa. 5 times more strength. Who doesn't need tape? Super strength tape. And this is my stuff on Pinchme. Hit me up in the comments if you got a Pinchme box and you got any of these things. Let's just share. Throw your likes up if you like this video. Slap that subscribe button.